Let's do practice 4-2, Oracle Database Authenticated Connection. And we're going to make a series of remote connections. And then we're going to check how we can make connection. So what we're going to do here is, from the first node, we will check the location of instances. And as you can see, and ORCL1 is running on host 02, ORCL2 is running on host 03, ORCL3 is running on host 01. It may be different, the location may be different because we created a policy, managed the database, so instance can be running anywhere in the same server pool. In order to test the remote connection again, this time we will make a connection as a system user. I will log in as a system user with a net service name, and password is Oracle_4U. And let's check current location. And when I look at current location, it's ORCL1. That's different from this output. That makes sense. I can connect to anywhere, so my output can be different. And in this example, my case, ORCL1, it's running out of host 02, meaning that I connected to the instance _1, ORCL_1, that is running out of host 02. That's what we can confirm from here. And then without disconnect, I can type host, I can use a bang to exit out for temporary, and I will log in as system user again, and then I will use a net service name, and I enter password Oracle_4U, and also I will check instance location. This time, the second session made a connection to ORCL2. So let's check ORCL2. Okay, according to this, I made a connection to instance that is running out of host 03. So that's what we can see. And then I can use host or bang out. And then I can also use SQL plus system at ORCL, hit enter, and Oracle_4U. And then let's check instance. So now it's ORCL3. As you can see, every time when you make connection, it will give you different instances to balance load. So that's how we can make connection, and then we checked the location where we connected. And this is a simple remote connection demonstration. As you can see, when you make remote connection, you can connect to the instance that running out of either host 01 or host 02 or host 03, that based on load. In our case, all servers are equally loaded. That's why we made a connection in this way. So we were able to make three connections to all three servers. That's short practice activity.